IPS e.max Ceram Art is a product line that consists of ready-to-use stain, glaze and structure pastes designed for the time-efficient aesthetic characterization of monolithic and layered ceramic restorations. The pastes are made to work perfectly with Ivoclar's CAD, press and layering ceramics, whether it's zirconium oxide, lithium disilicate or veneering ceramic. IPS e.max Ceram Art can be used in 3 different techniques. The first technique is the wet-on-wet technique, also called one-shot. This technique combines glazing, staining and characterization in a single firing step, maximizing efficiency and saving precious working time. Next is the classic technique. This method gives you more intense design options with separate stain and glaze firing steps. It's the ideal choice for producing especially detailed restorations. The third option is the structural technique for a refined finish. Its high viscosity pastes let you create 3-dimensional surface textures for a natural, lifelike depth effect without an additional veneering step. The IPS e.max Ceram Art range includes magic glaze for glazing, shade pastes for color adjustments, essence for expressive individualized details, illusion for light effects and optical depth, illusion gingiva for natural-looking gingival areas, and structure pastes for creating lifelike surface structures and depth. Turn every smile into a piece of art with IPS e.max Ceram Art.